Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add red face emotion effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the body effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see emotion. Click on it. And after this, you can click on the red face effect. So you just click on it. And now you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect. So you can click on adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the sticker, for the background animation, and for the size. And after this, you can click check icon in here. And finish. So that's how to add red face emotion effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.